Oh, hello there! We're doing today a depth bomb. This is interesting because it does include apple brandy, but here's what the author has to say about apple brandy. I've already pointed out that the principal reason that apple brandy does not enjoy greater popularity is the fact that it is practically impossible to find on any market that has been sufficiently aged to develop that mild, bland, delicious taste which characterizes all well-matured liquors. If you're fortunate enough to possess any well-made Applejack that has been aged in wood for even 5 or 6 years, but still better, 8 or 10, you will be reasonably safe in substituting it for cognac in practically every recipe calling for brandy. The flavor of the drink will be different, but it will be equally delightful. You can also use it as a substitute in most whiskey drinks. Anyways, we don't have apple brandy. I've never seen it. I've kept my eye out for it. So I'm making this one. It's called the Depth Bomb. And instead of apple brandy, it's funny because Applejack is equally hard to find, so I've been using this apple cider whiskey. I don't even know if it's the same taste because I have nothing to compare it to, because both those things are like just barely post-prohibition, I think, and then died out in the 50s is my guess and presumption. This one's going to be used with apple cider whiskey instead of apple brandy. The results will be different, but equally tasty, according to David Embry. This isn't even aged, it's just like kind of sweet. I'm sure it'll be great. We'll start off with the 4 parts of this. So we're using all tall parts. This is going to be I'm splitting this drink with my wife, so it shouldn't be that intense. Gonna use this stuff up. Ah! My small dog just tried to kill me. We got, oh, she's sad now. We got almost, what am I doing? That near-death experience really messed me up. So we got cognac, that is the next step, that is also 4 parts. Count them, which we will. This is so hard to open! We haven't used this kind of cognac. The last one we had, which we still have some of it, but I don't really want to mix, was different than this one. I don't remember what kind it was. 1. Starting to scare me. And then as usual, I always recommend fresh lemon juice if you're using lemon or lime. But sometimes, you just have to do a drink and you don't have everything that you need, but you have good substitutes. That's this whole drink. There's 2 parts lemon juice. And then one entire part grenadine. That's kind of a lot of grenadine. This will be an interesting one. Then, as is the way, add some ice. I just looked at this stuff and it looks like cough syrup or something. So I hope it doesn't taste like that. Shake them up. There's a lot in here. It might have been a mistake to do the full recipe even for 2 people. But you know what? We make those sacrifices for you. Like and subscribe. See what this looks like. Not as cough syrupy as I would have thought, but still kind of cough syrupy. That was a lot of rigmarole. This is called a depth bomb. Oh, it's actually pretty good.
Yeah. It's not bad.
That's actually really good. I don't mind it at all. I actually kind of like it a lot.
Yeah, it's actually
real smooth. Make it the way we did. I can't guarantee what happens with apple brandy. I know that fresh lemon juice would probably make it even better. I did brush my teeth recently, which was a mistake.
Yeah.
It's probably even better than I'm tasting right now, and it's pretty good, even without, with clean teeth and mint in my mouth. Yeah, so give a depth bomb a try, and that ain't no lie. Coming in hot. Like and subscribe. 2nd time. I'm holding a napkin because I made a mess. Bye.